This milk is so cool. I wonder how refrigerators work.
Refrigerators. We die without them. But how do they work? I'm glad you asked, Miss Young. Well, let me show you. So, essentially, on the back of a refrigerator, it's too heavy. On the back of the refrigerator, we have these coils, along with some tubes that are going to take too long for me to explain. But I'll say this. The heat energy within the refrigerator is used to have this refrigerant turn from a liquid into a gas. This gas is then evaporated on the back refrigerator, which I would like to show you, but I'm not strong enough. If only I had Nikos over here to help me. Am I right, Nikos? But unfortunately, I don't. So, to recap, we have this liquid refrigerant. It is turned into a gas using the heat energy within the refrigerator, and it is evaporated into a gas. And that's how your steak, Miss Young, is stayed cool like you.
This button can change the temperature. I wonder how air conditioners work.
So we are here today to talk to you about how air conditioning works. So, it all starts with the compressor, which is located inside of your external... Come here, Roxy, up here. Get up here, Roxy! So it all starts when the air conditioning unit outside takes in the water molecules, brings it into the air conditioning unit, then it brings it through the coils into the house, and it's in liquid form, which then it simply uses the heat energy located inside the house to take these water molecules and change it into a gas. So essentially we have these water molecules that are required to turn into a gas, and that is only done through using the heat energy located inside the house. Then once the heat energy is used, it is then evaporated and it disappears back into the atmosphere outside via gas. And that's how air conditioning units work. But that is not how you get your dog to listen to you.
I heard the sun can produce energy. I wonder how solar power works.
Solar panels. How do they work? I'm glad you asked, Rock Barber. So let me show you how solar panels work in my neighborhood. So, by using the sun's photons, we can bounce it around the solar panel, and this light energy is then created into electricity. And that's how solar panels work. Coming to you soon.
I know wind can produce energy. I wonder how wind energy works.
Wind turbines, one of America's greatest pastimes. Let's take a look how they work, shall we? So, there we have what we see on the outside of a wind turbine. But, like most things, they have an interior. Inside the wind turbine, behind the blades, we have a shaft. And behind the shaft is located a generator. What then happens is, with kinetic energy, which is the wind, turns the wind turbine's blades, and then these blades then turn the shaft inside that powers the generator. In other words, we have kinetic energy on this side, which turns into electricity. This electricity is then probably transmitted through wires that we didn't talk about, which is in here, and it goes to here, and then it goes to the Illuminati headquarters, where it then gives them power. But that's besides the point. All you need to know for the test is, we have kinetic energy that goes to electricity, through kinetic energy that's from the wind, which powers the shaft, that powers the generator, and then goes to the power lines. And that's how wind turbines work.